Hello and welcome to a Tradepronamics demonstration. This demonstration is about creating the payment summaries and doing the end of year reset for the payroll. So we've written paychecks all year. If you look them up, there's a few there in this example. Okay, so now it's time to do the payment summaries, or the what they used to call the group certificates. So you click on payment summaries. You fill in your company details on the first tab. You go click on the next tab. These are your payment summary fields. On the left hand side, these are all the ATO fields that the ATO require. On the right hand side, these are all the payroll categories that we've set up in Tradepronamics. So for example, the first one here is wages, purple. We've got base salary, bonus, carpenter, full-time casual, etc. We've got deductions, superannuation, etc. So if you click on gross payment, see gross payment's highlighted there, you see all these red ticks are gross payment types. So that'll be reported on your payment summary as gross payments. So any employee that has these categories, they'll be reported as gross payments in the pay-as-you-go payment summary. Okay, we'll click on allowance. See, these are grayed out because they've already been used. They have been used in gross payments, as we heard previously. In allowances, we've got travel allowance. So travel allowance will be reported as an allowance on the payment summary. So we've got deduction. We've got here salary sacrifice. All these ones are grayed out. You can't use them again. They've already been used in other payment summary fields. So here we've got salary sacrifice deduction. Okay, so that'll be reported as deduction. So all employees that have salary sacrifice will have that reported on their pay-as-you-go payment summary, or the old group certificate. Okay, click on the next button there, Reportable Employee Super, or you can click on the tab up here. Okay, you can just type that in, the really reportable employer superannuation contributions, reportable fringe benefit. Same thing here, you type in the any reportable fringe benefit, you just type in the amount. Okay, you go to review payment summaries. Okay, these are all the employees with their tax file numbers. So you want to print this one out, just select that. We'll just print one out for the moment. You can obviously print them all out for all employees. You can say select all, select none, or we'll just select this one. We'll go print. Here's the payment summary. Pay-as-you-go payment summary. That's the total tax withheld. There's gross payments. We've selected all of the gross payment categories. Tradepronamics against the gross payment field, and then that's the tax withheld, like I just said. We've got allowance 2,300. There's the pay ABN, etc. And that's the payment summary. Okay, so once you print all your payment summaries, before your first pay run in the new financial year, so before your first pay run in the new financial year, you have to reset, do end of year payroll reset, so you can start a new payroll year. To do that, you go into setup and select general payroll information. I'll say how to do that. So you set up just at the top left hand corner there. It's just says general payroll information. It's a bit off the screen. So you select general payroll information from the setup and the payroll. And it's just in the top left hand corner of the screen setup. Like I showed you in the throughout the year, we've been writing paychecks. So I got to look up paychecks. These are all the paychecks. So what that will do is delete all those, ready for the new year, and reset all the employee figures. So for example, if we have a look at an employee, payroll, wages, so the pay history, all these will be reset. Okay, entitlements. Entitlements, whatever the total is will be added to the carryover, and the year date will be reset. So for example, 125 here will the carryover to the new financial year, so it'll be 125 plus 48, that'll be the carryover, and then the year date will be 0. Okay, I'll get out of there. Now I'll go to the top left hand corner and select general payroll information. Okay, current payroll year 2017, beginning financial year July. Okay, so this is how you do the payroll reset. All you do is you just go OK, and that's about it. Well, that is it. So that's the current payroll year 2017. Just go OK. Just wait a minute. That should be done. If we go back to the right paycheck, we go look up. Do it. I must have missed something. Oh, I know what I missed. So if I go back to the top left hand corner, we go general payroll information. Payroll, current payroll year. We've got to put 2018. That's the new payroll year. Okay, because we'll be doing that on the first, before the first pay run in the new financial year, before the first pay run in the new financial year. So we'll be in 2018, so the first week of 2018 payroll year, or tax year as well. Okay, we go OK. Alright. Double check that. I'll just go back to setup, general payroll information, in the payroll year reset. That was right. Payroll year July. Okay. I go right paycheck. Look up. No, it didn't work. What am I doing wrong? Hang on a second. General payroll information is the financial year. In the financial year July. You don't go OK. Yeah, this. Put that back 2018, right? I forget all the time. 2017, 2018, 2013. You hit this button here. Payroll end of year reset. So I'll select. Let's just try 2017. We'll leave it 2017. We'll go payroll end of year reset. If you set the current payroll year, we'll say no. So the current one would be 2018, would be the first week of 2018 before the first pay run in 2018. I'll go payroll reset. Have you set the current payroll year? We'll go yes. Is this the beginning of the financial? Is the beginning of the financial month correct? Yes, it's July there. We'll go yes. You've done a backup, so you should do a backup first. We'll go yes. Continue. You want to continue with payroll end of year reset. Say yes. Okay. Payroll end of year reset is complete. So that's it. So now we've rolled the year over, 2018. I'll just go close that. Go right paycheck. All the old checks are gone. Okay, so now we start a new payroll year, and it's the end of payroll year reset. Okay, so that's quite simple. The over here, yeah, that's it. That's the payroll year reset. If you have any questions or anything, just give me a call. Contact details on www.rad.com.au. So it's rad.com.au. Search for Tradepronamics and all the contact details are there. Okay, thank you.